Okay, so now I will try to for bonus report. Hold on. Okay, now I will tell you on what kind of report you can print out for your bonus. Okay, just now I mentioned about provisional report. Okay, go to payroll. Bonus processing. Okay, bonus payroll listing. Okay, as mentioned before, if you choose provisional on print here, okay, the amount printed is not posted to payroll yet. It will be subjected to changes. Okay, click OK. So you can see here, checking on the bonuses before you process it. Okay, once you already confirm the amount, then you do process, bonus pay process. Okay, then you go to end month and do the starting month. Then you can go back to the report bonus payroll listing. Choose final. The final report is a bonus amount that has been processed together with the end month payroll. This one is only after you do bonus pay process and end month starting month process. So it will show you the finalized. Okay, next report is bonus checklist. Okay, this report basically prints list of employee paid by cash or check. Okay, for example, for check payment mode, you choose check, select checklist. Okay, print. So just sample lah, sample bonus checklist paying by check. For cash payment, also can, payment mode cash. Then click coinage analysis. Okay. Okay, here don't have anything because haven't processed yet. Okay, so next is bonus bank credit advice list. This report print list of employee paid through bank gyro, and you can verify their banking information before proceeding with the payout. So you tick the print authorization section. Okay. So you can check the account number, bank code, amount. Okay. Next is bonus pay slip. Okay, this print bonus payout slip. Remember just now you want to separate from your salary. You can also give them bonus pay slip with this report. Okay, define the pay month. Okay, then you can click print. You can give, this is a sample of a pay slip for your employee for bonus only. Okay,